Well, well, where did those come from? Looks like somebody got a visit from the lawnmower fairy. I mean, I know who brought them. I just don't know when he brought them. I have been here all day while they worked on the heat pump outside, got it fixed, and I go inside, and when I come back, lawnmowers. So both of these lawnmowers belong to my uncle, who is in his 80s, and he has not one, but 2 riding mowers, which tells you a little bit about how busy he still is. So he uses the smaller Hustler here on his own yard, and he mows a couple yards for his neighbors during the summer. And the bigger mower, which is, I believe, a Simplicity. Yes, Simplicity. He bought to help maintain the cabin property, which he still goes down and mows that every week during the summer. I can only hope that when I'm in my 80s, I'm half as active as that man is. But he dropped off some tune-up kits for me. I'm gonna do some maintenance on them, put on some new filters, do oil changes. I'll probably sharpen the blades, probably give him a bath, but it's the least I can do for him with all the work that he does for everybody else. So that's what we're gonna be doing over the next couple of days, getting maintenance done on these mowers. That's a pretty comfy mower. So let's get to it, I guess. So we just moved that one out of the way for now. This is the one he said he wanted done first, like by this weekend, or he asked me if I could get it done by this weekend, because he wants to mow his yard and a couple of neighbors' yards before he leaves for vacation. So we'll take a look at this one first, get the oil changed, sharpen the blades, maybe give it a bath tomorrow, get it looking sharp before we give it back to him. Well, let's start with the easiest thing first. Let's do the air cleaner. Well, that's the air cleaner that's on it. That's the one he brought me. I think we have a problem.
Sir, we have a problem.
Shoot him a text and let him know the good news. Because the parts he brought me don't fit either mower. Let's see if the spark plugs are right. Spark plugs look like they'll work. This one's a Champion 12YC5. And that one's a whatever that is. Hypa 5ECU. And the plugs don't cross-reference each other either, so probably have to wait and order the correct tune-up parts. But there is other stuff to do, so we're not going to sit around and wait for that. Gonna hook the front of it up to the engine hoist, get it up, clean the deck, and get the blades off and get them sharpened.
Hey, what do you say?
Let's get under here and take a look at what we're dealing with. Oh, it's clean under here. Must be the other mower stinking up my barn. Nothing major happening in here. Get the bolt taken out and get those blades sharpened up. Get the right size socket. I think that's the one I use on the mower.
Down, we'll never come down. So close up with the feeling I'm with you right now. My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter.
Where's my grinder? One of these bad boys in. And we aren't using a grinding wheel, we're just using a used up flat disc. That should do it.
Nothing to do. These days they come and go.
Guess for now I'm just going to do some cleaning and use one of the greatest gifts that man ever created. WD-40. Works great on this stuff. Yeah, it smells good. Just look at that shine. Woo! That's nice. Let's just do a little before and after. How's that? There's before. And there's the after. It's one little light coat, WD-40. Been using it for years. I tell you what, that WD-40 does the job. Love that stuff. I use it on plastics. I use it on the cars. I even put it on my truck frame every time I wash it. Helps prevent rust, and man, does it shine. And this mower's even dirtier. Just gonna spend a little bit of time getting this one all cleaned up. Maybe get it jacked up and get the blades sharpened on that one as well while we're waiting for parts. Man alive, like a shiny new penny. Telling you, WD-40 is where it's at, guys. I'm back.
I'm back.
Then we got some new parts. See if these are the right part. You ready?
Yeah.
Does it look right?
Yeah. That's a filter?
Yes, it is a filter. You want to help me put it on?
Yes.
Okay.
Like this?
Yep. It's on. Good job. Screw it in. Here, let's take spark plug out. You ready?
Yeah.
This way. Yeah. Go back. Pull that out of there. This has this nice little oil drain feature. It's push this down, feed it out through the bottom, and drain the oil. While it's draining, we can take off the oil filter. Spill it all over the floor. Got both plugs changed. New oil filter, new fuel filter. Only thing left, put some oil in it.
What is 40 oiled in there? Yo, that is a lot. Yeah. I've seen it.
Ready?
Yeah.
We did it. One mower down. Got it up to operating temperature. Gonna let it sit and we'll check the oil again. But everything seems to be working fine. And probably tomorrow we'll pull this one up here and do the same thing to it. But for now, who wants to go outside and play? Okay. Well, the maintenance on the second mower definitely went smoother than the first. It helps having all the right parts and just going through the motions again. So we changed out the air filter, changed out both of the spark plugs without any issues there. They went right in, right size. Made another big mess changing the oil filter. Went ahead and hooked it up to the hoist and got it all jacked up. Got the blades off, got them all sharpened up. They were definitely worse than the first mower were. I don't think I did these last year. Got those all reinstalled without any issues. And that's gonna wrap it up. We appreciate you watching. Hopefully, we'll see you on the next one.